Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is English for grade 3. We are learning unit 10. Its title is Eid al-Azha. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. Yes, my dear students, today we are going to learn about punctuation mark, and that punctuation mark is exclamation. Before this, we have already learned about exclamation mark in unit 7. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again, and we are going to practice it further to recognize and use apostrophe to show possession. We have already done. And exclamation mark to show strong feelings is our focus for today. Identify simple sentences that show strong feelings. Make sentences by replacing words and phrases in given sentences. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Ankabut, verse 4. Do the evildoers suppose that they will get the better of us? How evil is their judgment? Yes, my dear students, better what this beautiful verse is telling us. It's a warning. The evildoer, the people who do bad things, they will get bad reward of that. How can we think that they are doing evil things, they are doing bad things, and they will be rewarded with good one? How bad their thinking is. So beta, we should be very careful. We should do good deeds to get a better reward from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is the message of this verse. And you see, this mark is there. How evil is their judgment. Like if a person is doing bad, so a person cannot expect a good result, a good reward. That's why beta, we should try to do good things all the time, speak good words all the time, because we hope Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will bless us with even a better reward. When whatever we are doing good, Allah will give us better in reward. Okay, so now you tell me which sign we use to show strong feelings in writing. We have learned about it, and how we can identify simple sentences that show strong feeling. We have learned about it. Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you could recall that exclamation mark. An exclamation mark is used after a word or a group of words or a sentence expressing strong feelings. This is the mark which tells us, better, because when we speak, we express our feelings with expressions. But when we are writing, how we'll tell like this is an exciting word for us? For example, if you say, hurrah, we have won the match. So you're very happy. To show this excitement, to show your feeling, you have to use this exclamation mark in writing. That's why this is known a mark to express strong feelings, your emotions. Okay, so what are the places where we use to show anger? This is also an emotion. Sometimes when we speak, we express it through words, but when you are writing, we express it by placing this exclamation mark to tell that I'm angry with this, or to ask help, to show sorrow, to show joy, to show surprise, or to show excitement. These all are strong feelings. And to express these feelings in writing, we place a punctuation mark in the sentence, after a word, after a group of words, or even at the end of a sentence to express our feelings. How do we use it? Let's learn it. To show anger, how do we use it? Oh no, we missed the school bus because of you. You see? Okay. If you want to ask for help, how? Please help me. I need your help. Please help me. Okay. To show joy, hurrah, we have won the match. Right? To show surprise, when you are surprised, I can't believe you won the match. You won the match. I can't believe. Okay, this is a surprise. Okay, to show excitement. Great, we have solved the question. You're very excited. It was a difficult question and we solved it. Right? This is how we express our feeling in writing by placing exclamation mark. Right? Okay. And sorrow means if you are upset for something, oh, I'm so worried. Right? This is how you express your feelings. Let's practice it through an activity. What we are going to do, teacher will divide class in pairs and one student will say a sentence showing strong emotion. The other will write it on the board using correct punctuation mark. Okay, so teacher kindly make children to use sentences by placing correct exclamation marks. So pause the video, enjoy the activity and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. It's time to practice it from your book. All of you open your book on page number 80. It's question number 6. What you are going to do, find the sentence showing the strong feeling and write them in your notebook. Okay, so you have to just identify. There are few sentences which are not showing strong feeling. So just find out the sentences and write them in your notebook. Pause the video, do this task and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. It was easy for you. So the next concept we are going to learn today is how to replace text. So beta, sometime in a sentence, in a same sentence, we just replace one word or a group of words and we make a new sentence. How do we do it? For example, he is going to, here it's written school. He is going to school, or he is going to masjid, or he is going to market. So just by replacing one word, it becomes a new sentence. And this practice is very effective. When you write something, read it again. Sometime by replacing a word, we can make it a better sentence. Okay, that's why we should know which type of replacement is possible. All right, now there can be another. I need a pencil to write. Okay, or sometime I can say I need a pen to write. And at a place, if I don't have pencil and paper both, I will say I need a pencil and paper to write. This is how, by replacing a word with another word or with another group of words, we can make sentences. All right. So let's practice it in your book, page number 80, question number 8. For example, the first sentence, if I write it, I found a little kitten on the bed. Now this on the bed is underlined. I can replace it. I can say, I found a little kitten in my kitchen. It's written in your book. Okay. So likewise, for rest of the sentences, you will replace the word for the underlined phrase, underlined group of words and make new sentences. Pause the video, complete this task and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Now let's give you homework. You will practice expressing strong feelings. Also write 5 sentences showing strong feelings with correct punctuation. And here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today, we learned to recognize and use apostrophe to show possession. We have already learned. Exclamation mark to show strong feelings. We learned today. Identify simple sentences that show strong feeling and make sentences by replacing words and phrases in given sentences. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.